Hello, everyone. First of all, I do apologize for the sound not working the first time that we did this, but this is going to be our practice of blending with known sounds. So this is going to practice all of the sounds we've done over the last 3 weeks, and we're going to blend. Some of the words will be real words, and some will be what we call nonsense words. So here's what I do when I'm blending. I say the sounds, and I put two together. P, I, pi, pid, pid. Let's do this one together. S, I, si, sim, sim. You try. Okay. I, mi, mip, mip. S, a, sa, sap, sap. You try. It goes a, ma, mad, mad. You try this one. It says d, a, da, dap, dap. All right, good job, everyone.